हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम देखने वाले हैं सिनोनिम ऑफ फार्मास्यूटिकल केमिस्ट्री 1। देयर आर द वेरियस ड्रग्स एंड केमिकल फार्मूला एंड सिनोनिम्स आस्क इन एग्जाम फॉर वेरियस एमसीक्यू, कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स एंड simple exam. The inorganic compound is hydrochloric acid. The chemical formula is HCl. Synonym is muriatic acid. Next drug is sodium hydroxide. Sodium stand for Na, hydroxide stand for OH. The synonym is caustic soda. Next drug is sodium chloride. Sodium stand for Na and again chloride is Cl. The synonym is table salt or a common salt. Next drug is calcium hydroxide. Calcium stand for Ca and hydroxide is OH by 2. The synonym is slack lime. Next drug is sodium bicarbonate. Sodium stand for Na and carbonate is the CO3. There is bi stand for H. तो हम इस तरीके से द स्ट्रक्चर हम याद रख सकते हैं NaHCO3, that is baking soda. Next drug is boric acid. The boric acid formula is H3BO3. The synonym is boracic acid or orthoboric acid. These all drugs will be used for acids and bases and for the preparation of buffer solution. Next, some drugs are sodium carbonate. Sodium again Na2 and carbonate is CO3. The synonym is soda ash or washing soda. Next drug is calcium carbonate. Calcium stand for Ca, again carbonate is CO3. The synonym is precipitate chalk. Next is bismuth subcarbonate. The formula is sum of the tedious BiO2 by 2, carbonate that is the CO3 by 2 and H2O, that is basic. Synonym is basic bismuth carbonate. Next drug is kaolin. The chemical formula is Al2O3 2SiO2 H2O and the synonym is china clay. Next drug is magnesium sulfate. Magnesium stand for Mg, sulfate is SO4 dot 7H2O. The synonym is Epsom salt. Next drug is sodium potassium tartarate. The formula is Kna, K for the potassium, Na for the sodium and tartarate, that is the C4H4O6. It is a salt of sodium and potassium with a tartaric acid and the synonym is Rochelle salt. These all drugs including gastrointestinal agent. Next drug are talc. The formula is 3MgO4SiO2 H2O. The synonym is French chalk or talcum powder. Next drug is alum. The formula is KalSO4 by 2. Synonym is potash alum or aluminum potassium sulfate. Next drug is zinc sulfate. Zinc stand for Zn, sulfate is SO4 and the synonym is white vitriol. Next drug is precipitate sulfur. The chemical formula is S. Synonym: precipitate means the small particle suspended in a solution and solution look like a milk. So the synonym is milk of sulfur. Next drug is sublimate sulfur. The formula is S. Synonym is flower of sulfur. Sublimation is the process in which air trapping and there is a formation of layers. So on the heating, sulfur create a layer or it looks like a sulfur trap the airs and create a various layer. So it is looks like a flower of sulfur. Next drug is selenium sulfide. The chemical formula is SeS2. Selenium stand for Se and S2. Synonym is selenium disulfide. These all drug including from the topical agent. Next drugs are chlorinated lime. Chlorinated lime means bleaching powder or a chlorine of lime. These are the synonym. The formula is Ca bracket OCl bracket complete Cl H2O. Next drug is nitrous oxide. The chemical formula is N2O2 and synonym is laughing gas. Nitrous oxide is belonging from the inhalant. There are the oxygen and carbon dioxide other two true drugs. Oxygen chemical formula is O2 and carbon dioxide chemical formula is CO2. There is no synonym for the oxygen and carbon dioxide, but these are asking in the exam. Next drug is ammonium chloride. Chemical formula ammonium stand for NH4 and chloride is Cl. There are the four synonym sal ammonia, salmic, amichlor, ammonium chlor. Ammonium chloride is drug used as an expectorant. Next drug is antimony potassium tartarate. The formula is C4H4O7 SbK half H2O. The synonym is tartar emetic. Next drug is potassium iodide. Potassium iodide, potassium stand for K and iodide stand for I. The synonym is pot iode. Potassium iodide is again a expectorant category and antimony potassium tartarate previous drug which is used as a emetic. Next drug is stannous fluoride. Stannous stand for Sn, fluoride is F2. Synonym is tin fluoride. Stannous fluoride and again fluoride containing drugs which use as an anti-caries agent in a dental product. Next drug is zinc chloride. The formula is ZnCl2. Zinc stand for Zn and chloride is Cl2. The synonym is butter of zinc. Next drug is sodium nitrite. Sodium stand for Na and nitrite is NO3. The synonym is nitrous acid sodium salt. Sodium nitrite is a antidote category drug. Next drug is borax. The chemical formula is Na2B4O7. Synonym are sodium borate or a sodium tetraborate. Next drug is ferrous sulfate. The formula is ferrous Fe sulfate SO4 .7 molecules of water. The synonym is green vitriol. The crystal of ferrous sulfate is look like a greenish blue crystal, so the synonym is green vitriol. Aqueous solution of iodine. The chemical formula is I and the synonym is Lugol solution. Next drug, weak iodine solution. Again the formula is I and the synonym is tincture of iodine. Okay student, thank you.